Hello, and welcome to this tutorial on how to use the TA Intersections Checker plugin. Once you've installed the plugin, you'll notice a new ribbon tab called TA Intersections Checker in your Civil 3D workspace. To get started, click on the Intersection Points table button in the ribbon. After clicking, you'll be prompted to select the alignments you want to analyze. Simply select the alignments for which you want to check the intersections. Next, you'll be asked to enter the Design Profile keyword. This keyword can be a prefix or suffix for your design profiles. In this example, all my design profiles are prefixed with FG, so I'll type FG. Then, you'll be prompted to enter the precision. This is the number of digits used when comparing the elevation values. The default value is set to 2 digits, so I'll leave it as it is for now. Once you've set everything, click Enter, and you'll see a window displaying a table with all the intersections. This table will provide the necessary information, such as the first alignment, profile, and elevation, along with the second alignment, profile, and elevation. The plugin compares the elevations based on the precision you provided and checks whether the intersection is valid or not. In the window, you'll also notice a checkbox. If you check this box, the table will filter to show only invalid intersections. Each invalid intersection has a small icon next to it, and by clicking on this icon, the software will zoom in to the location of the intersection. In addition to the intersection table, there's a useful button called Add Labels. When you click this button, the app will create dynamic labels at all the intersections you've selected. Since I have some invalid intersections in this example, the app will give me a warning, notifying me that there are invalid intersections. It will then ask if I want to add labels to those as well. For now, I'll choose No, because I only want to label the valid intersections. Once I make my selection, the app will show a progress bar as it labels the intersections. After the process is finished, you'll see all the labels added to the drawing, and the design profiles for the intersecting alignments are assigned automatically to the labels. And that's it! The dynamic labels are now automatically added to your drawing, and everything is ready for review. Another useful feature in the window is the Add Kogo Points button. When you click this, the app will automatically add Kogo points to all the valid intersections, while ignoring the invalid ones. Once the process is complete, you'll notice that a new point group has been created. This point group will contain all the Kogo points that the app added for the valid intersections. And just like that, you have all the Kogo points added at the valid intersection locations, ready for you with just a simple click. Another helpful feature is the Mark Invalid button. Once clicked, the app will highlight all the invalid intersections by drawing a circle around each one. This makes it easy to quickly identify and focus on the invalid intersections, so you can address them as needed in your design. If you prefer quicker access, you'll find 3 buttons directly in the Ribbon tab. Add Intersections Kogo Points, Label Intersection Point, and Mark Invalid Intersections. These buttons essentially perform the same functions we've covered earlier, but they allow you to quickly execute these actions without having to open the Intersection Points window. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to try the TA Intersections Checker plugin, you can download it from the Autodesk App Store and enjoy a 30-day free trial. I'll leave the link in the pinned comment below.